Hello everyone. Are you looking for a budget-friendly and well-connected 2 BHK flat in Bangalore? Welcome to Mahadevapura, a fast-growing neighborhood in East Bangalore. That's perfect for working professionals, families, and bachelors. In this video, we'll explore the details of a 2 BHK flat for rent here, including price range, location benefits, ambience, and nearby hotspots. Come, let's go. This is your beautiful balcony view. You'll love the natural light, cross ventilation, and a cozy balcony that's perfect for your morning tea or small plants. It's just attached your bedroom. This 2 BHK flat features a spacious living area, 2 well-ventilated bedrooms, a modular kitchen, and 2 modern bathrooms. Whether you're moving in with family or friends, the flat offers both comfort and functionality. Overall, flat U have great ventilation. Mahadevapura is strategically located on the Outer Ring Road and is just minutes away from major tech hubs, like Bangalore World Technology Center, ITPL, and Whitefield. Public transport is easy, with frequent BMTC buses, and the upcoming Nama Metro Purple Line will further boost connectivity. Nearby areas include Marathahali, KR Puram, Brookfield, and Hoodie. This is your modular kitchen, comes equipped with big storage, a sleek countertop, and plenty of ventilation. In the left side you have separate restroom. It's cleanly done. And right side you have one more bedroom. The flat is in a semi-gated society with 24/7 security, CCTV surveillance, power backup, lift, and reserved 2-wheeler parking. Nearby, you'll find local grocery shops, ATMs, salons, and everything for daily needs. Phoenix Market City, top schools, etc. Let's talk about the most important part. Rent and deposit. This 2 BHK in Mahadevapura starts from just 33,000 plus 3,000 maintenance per month. Standalone buildings with a deposit of 1.5 lakhs. Flats are available for families, working professionals, and even bachelors. If anyone interested in this flat, please contact this number or WhatsApp this number. Interested in this 2 BHK flat or similar properties in Mahadevapura? Contact us now, and don't forget to like this video, share it with friends, and subscribe to J Rental Properties for more rental listings across Bangalore. Thanks for watching our video. See you again. Bye.